Have you ever questioned how to cultivate unwavering mental strength and resilience in the midst of today's tumultuous world? With constant change, uncertainty, and challenges, it's essential to find practical tools to empower your mind. So, let's embark on a journey to discover 5 Stoic techniques that not only weather the storms of today, but echo the wisdom of the ages. Welcome to this YouTube video where we'll explore these techniques with the guidance of powerful Stoic quotes. In this age of relentless change and unpredictability, the Stoic philosophy offers timeless wisdom to navigate life's challenges and build unwavering mental resilience. Let's begin our journey, enriched by Stoic insights and guiding quotes. 1. Negative visualization. As the Stoic Emperor Marcus Aurelius said, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. In this technique, you visualize the worst possible scenarios, which may seem paradoxical, but, as Seneca noted, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. By doing so, you not only embrace the present but also reduce fear of potential misfortunes. 2. Focus on what you can control. Epictetus reminds us, some things are in our control while others are not. In a world rife with external chaos, the Stoics advocate directing your energy towards what you can truly influence: your thoughts, actions, and attitudes. By doing so, you align yourself with the Stoic principle that happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control, and some things are not. 3. Acceptance of the present moment. In today's society, the Stoics advise us to embrace the present, as Marcus Aurelius wisely proclaimed. The present moment is the only thing of which anyone can be deprived. The Stoic practice of accepting reality without resistance, as endorsed by Epictetus, reduces emotional turmoil and empowers you to make informed decisions based on a clear understanding of your circumstances. 4. Practicing virtue. In a world where moral challenges often abound, we find solace in the Stoic commitment to virtue. As Seneca beautifully expressed, virtue is the sole good. Wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline are the guiding virtues. By striving for moral excellence in your actions and decisions, you embody the Stoic belief that the key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. 5. Journaling and self-reflection. In today's bustling world, clarity is a rare gem. This is where journaling comes into play, as advised by Marcus Aurelius, who wrote, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." By recording your thoughts, experiences, and reflections, you gain a better understanding of your emotions and thought patterns. This invaluable practice empowers you to navigate the complexities of the modern world, and as Seneca once said, we should live according to a consistent plan after assuming the philosophy of life. As you explore these Stoic techniques and the wisdom they offer, remember that they are not merely tools for surviving, but thriving in any situation life throws your way. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information valuable, please show your support by liking and subscribing for more timeless wisdom.